Hi! In front of me is LG K41S, and today I would like to show you how you can change device theme on this smartphone. Start by opening settings. Now you need to scroll down, select display and tap on wallpaper and theme. Over here you need to select theme at the bottom and tap on the preferable one. I want to go with that one, so I have to tap on it and select apply at the bottom right corner. Now wait. And as you can see, theme of my device has changed. But you can always go back into the default one by tapping on the same settings, choosing in my case that one and selecting apply one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!